work out the perimeter of this shape. Okay, can you help me to find like what is the perimeter? Like, can you tell me what is the perimeter of any shape? Like, how will we define it?
You would count all the centimeters up.
And what is basically perimeter? Like,
it's like all together. Like the entire centimeter of the shape, but in like part.
Okay, basically if you are like if you are going to find perimeter of any shape, so that is basically called like you are going to find boundary of that shape. Okay, like you are going to find boundary length of that shape. So this is a shape and its boundary length is this one, right? This is boundary. And what is perimeter? To find length of its boundary shape. Like if you have any shape, if you will find length of its boundary, so that will be called as perimeter. Okay. And you have in this figure, you have given sides length of each side, right? Like how many sides this shape have in total?
6.
Very good. So to find perimeter, what will you do?
Count the centimeters.
Yes, that means you will add all the lengths, right?
Yeah.
So what are the lengths?
12
centimeters. Like you did 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 and plus 3, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and you got answer 12. Very good. So that means So that means perimeter of this shape is 12 centimeters. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, good. Very good.